Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Following that, select Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on those little icons at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you finish, just click on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, in my case this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!